Lee Jung-jae is born in 1972, December 15th, and is 48 years old. In his registration card, it says 1973, March 15th, but actual birthday is December 15th. He is 180 centimeters tall and blood type B. He has been dating Im Se-ryung since 2015 for 7 years now. She is the executive director of Daesang Group and also the ex-wife of Samsung Group vice chairman Lee Jae-yong. Before dating Im Se-ryung, he dated Kim Min-hee. There were rumors that Kim Min-hee introduced Lee Jung-jae to Im Se-ryung, but he denied. Because of his handsome and sophisticated style, many people think he grew up rich, but it was the opposite. His family was so poor that there were many times when they had to live separated from each other. When he was in high school, he couldn't even pay for his school fees and was scolded in front of his classmates. He was known to be the only son but revealed in Healing Camp that he has an older brother who suffers from autism. Lee Jung-jae added that he was my older brother, so I didn't think of him as a burden. I just thought this is a part of me and my family's life. This sad behind story was not revealed earlier because Lee Jung-jae is the type who doesn't like talking about this stuff. He said there is really no one in the world who has never had such a hard time. I personally don't like those who bring up the past and induce sympathy. Originally, Lee Jung-jae wanted to pursue a career in architectural interiors or art. He went to the vocational school after high school to study interior and architecture. To earn his school fees, he did a part-time job serving at a cafe and was casted to be a model by his then manager. Because the modeling fee was much higher than that of a part-timer, he quit serving and entered the modeling industry. In 1993, he appeared in the chocolate Cranky CF and hit the jackpot. Through the CF, he got a role in Sandglass as Baek Jae-hee, a bodyguard, and became very popular, even getting the Rookie Award in 1995. He stole the hearts of many fans, and Blackpink Jennie's mother was one of them. Jennie's mother was a huge fan of Jae-hee and wanted to name her child Jae-hee if it's a son. However, it was a girl and gave her a similar name, Jennie. However, after filming Sandglass, Lee Jung-jae couldn't handle the pouring popularity, and in his early 20s, he enlisted in the military. After being discharged from the military, he started acting again but always had doubts if being an actor was what he really wanted to do. He really started to enjoy acting in late 1999 when he filmed City of the Rising Sun with Jung Woo-sung. Through this movie, he became the youngest actor to win the Best Actor award. This record is still not broken. However, his dark ages continued for the next 10 years, all his works not being noticeable. Finally, in 2009, he proved himself again through the movie The Housemaid, along with the great actresses Jeon Do-yeon and Yoon Yo-jung. This movie was nominated in 2010 Cannes Film Festival. From a CF star, he settled down as a sophisticated middle-aged actor through the consecutive hits The Thief in 2012, New World in 2013, The Face Reader also in 2013, and Assassination in 2015. For his role in Assassination, he lost 15 kilograms. To express his character's anxious and sharp psychology, he filmed in a state of not sleeping for 48 hours. The director of Squid Game confessed that he wanted to see Lee Jung-jae's ruined look through the series. Lee Jung-jae confessed that he is a blank. In real life, he is a fashion people. He personally likes dandy and basic style. He likes the brands Yves Saint Laurent and Dior. He is best friends with actor Jung Woo-sung since the movie City of the Rising Sun and are known as the Cheongdam-dom couple, meeting at least 2 to 3 times a week. They received the SBS Rookie Award together in 1995. Ironically, they still talk formally to each other, confessing that it's more comfortable that way. And they also made an entertainment company together named Artist Company, where both of them hold the title of director. Go-hara, Park So-dam, Lee So-um are artists of this company. In his first fan meeting in 2013, he gave each of the 400 fans the clay soap he made and hugged each one of them. After these free hug events, the left side of his suit was smeared in his fans' makeup. He is famous for the GIF, "Oppa, you have Kim on your face, 잘생김," which means handsomeness. Fans say Lee Jung-jae and Son look alike. He mentioned it's an honor to be compared with a great player like Son.